The next question is calcium is isoelectronic with among sodium ion, magnesium ion, barium ion and argon. So here observe iso means what? Same, and electronic means electrons. The species having same electrons, having same properties, the electrons are in outermost shell will be the same. Okay, so now observe calcium, its atomic number is 20. Calcium atomic number is 20 and sodium atomic number is 11, magnesium 12 and barium 56 and then argon is 18. So this is the electronic atomic number. Now write electronic configuration of calcium 20. So 20 right. Now its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2. This is the calcium 20. Okay, here they given calcium 2 plus, right? So calcium 2 plus means we have to remove 2 electrons. Calcium 2 plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 electron ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. 2 ತೆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? outermost shell ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2s2 and 2p6 8 electrons ಇದೆ. 8 electrons ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ atomic number 11, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 then 3s1. ಸೊ Na ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 2s2 and 2p1. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಐಸೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ 2 plus. And also take magnesium. Magnesium 2 plus means remove 2 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 10, 3s2. 10 and 12, right? So remove magnesium 2 plus, remove 2 electrons. Then outermost shell having 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Here also 8 electrons, here also 8 electrons. Then barium 56. So its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3p6, 3d10 and 4s2, 4p6, 4d10. Then observe 10 electrons, 20, 30, then 40, 46, then remaining 10 electrons is there. 4d10, then 5s2, 5p6 and 5d2. So these are the electronic configuration. Barium 2 plus, after removing 2 electrons, the outermost shell having 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Then argon, this argon having 18 atomic number, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2, 3p6. So outermost shell having 8 electrons, right? So here observe in calcium and sodium, the second shell having same electrons and magnesium also having same electrons. In argon, third shell having same electrons. In barium, the fifth principal quantum number having same electrons. So that all these are isoelectronic with what? Calcium. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಜೊತೆ isoelectronic ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Then all are right. Then next one, the metal ion that plays an important role in the muscle contraction. Muscle contraction ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಅಯಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ more important or major role in the muscle contraction. ಮಸಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಮೂಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಮ್ಮು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಕಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, slacked lime reacts with chlorine to give what? So slacked lime is nothing but what? Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice is called as what? Slacked lime. Now the slacked lime CaOH twice is reacts with what? Chlorine. It gives CaCl2, calcium chloride, plus CaOCl twice plus H2O. Okay, now to balance the reaction, 2 plus 2, 4 chlorine atoms. So write here 2, and here 1 calcium, 2 calciums. So this is called the chemical reaction of slacked lime is reacts with chlorine. This is slacked lime and chlorine. It gives calcium chloride and calcium oxychloride that we called as a bleaching powder. ಕೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು? ವೈಟ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಡಿಸ್ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಲು ಚರಂಡಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ. ಇರುವೆಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ here the major product is what? Bleaching powder. So that the right option is calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2, called bleaching powder. Okay, here calcium chloride also obtained, but it is very less quantity. The major is bleaching powder. Okay, this lacquered lime is reacts with chlorine only to prepare bleaching powder, so that CaOCl2 is the right option. The next one, match the column 1 with column 2. Column 1 ಜೊತೆ column 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I am not written here the formulas of these names. Okay, you have to be write the formulas for these names. Okay, quick lime is nothing but what? Calcium oxide. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೇಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎನಿವನ್. ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಲೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕಡ್ ಲೈಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕಡ್ ಲೈಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ CaOH twice. This is what? Slackered lime. Then baryta water. Baryta water means what? Barium hydroxide. Baryta water means barium hydroxide, BaOH twice, is called as baryta water. Then hydrolith. Hydrolith means what? Calcium hydride, CaH2. This is calcium hydride, is called as what? Hydrolith. Then plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is nothing but hemihydrated calcium sulfate. Very very important this one. Plaster of Paris is nothing but hemihydrated of calcium sulfate, CaSO4. Hemi means what? Half. Hydrated means water. That is hemihydrated of calcium sulfate is called as what? Plaster of Paris. Then caustic soda. Caustic soda is nothing but what? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is called as what? Caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Caustic soda ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Baking soda. Baking soda is nothing but what? Sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, or sodium hydrogen carbonate, is called as what? Baking soda. Then next one, cooking soda. Cooking soda means we are using salt in kitchen, right? That we called as cooking soda. So which salt we are using in kitchen? Sodium chloride, right? That is table salt. Table salt, or we also called as rock salt, that is called as what? Sodium chloride. Then ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Table salt or rock salt. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಡಾ. Then washing soda. Washing soda is nothing but sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Okay, Na2CO3 is called as what? Sodium carbonate, that we call washing soda. Okay, then burn plaster, or we also called as dead burn plaster, or we also called as quick lime, that is already I told you, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide and ಎಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Quick lime or dead burn plaster, or we also called as burn plaster. Okay, this is the calcium oxide. The next one, match the column 1 with column 2. Match the column 1 with column 2. They given sodium, potassium, strontium and barium. Sodium, potassium, strontium and barium. Then the colors are crimson red, yellow, apple green and violet. Okay, so remember, sodium always shows yellow color on heating. Sodium ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ? yellow color, that is golden yellow or yellow on heating. Then potassium shows always apple green, not apple green, violet. Potassium always shows violet color on heating. Potassium always shows what? Violet on heating. Then strontium, the strontium shows crimson red. Strontium shows what? Crimson red. Then barium shows apple green. Barium shows apple green. So remember, barium shows apple green color on heating, strontium shows crimson red, potassium shows violet color, and sodium shows yellow color. So this is the matching of column A with column 1 with column 2. Okay, I hope you understanding, students.